Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, eh? Another Saturday, another shave. And it's Johnny Chillpill today, because I'm actually managing to film my Saturday shave on a Saturday morning. The sun is shining, the sky is blue, the frost abounds. I'm chilled, I'm looking forward to it. Get the weekend off work, had a lay in bed this morning, got a big stretch. My wife and daughter have gone out, I've got the apartment to myself, so I thought, let's get a shave on. So if you're new, welcome to the channel, please click like and subscribe. If you're returning, welcome back kids, here we go. Before we get started, look at this. It's got to be, it's this stuff here, 8 o'clock donut shop coffee blend. First time I've tried it, it's nice, quite mellow. There you go. I'm chilled, it's early doors, I'm going to get this up. I wanted to do it last night and get it up bright and breezy first thing this morning, but I had a lot to do. So I thought, no, I love this time of the day on my own, filming on a Saturday, it's how I used to do it. So I thought we would do that today, Johnny Chillpill. Right, first thing we're going to be doing, let's get this brush into soak. There you go. Maggots. Look at that, what a brush. Absolutely lovely, soft bristles, reminiscent of the PAA stitching like that. We'll put that in there, in the official. See, you can't see, look, because the sun's that bright. Look, the official John Shaves Super Soaker. Where's the sun? Let's see if we can get that. Let's take it up, that's the blind. There you go, that may make a difference, it may not, but there you go. That's the brush we're going to be using. The soap we're going to be using, Karve, but you can't see it, can you? I wonder if, yeah, Karve, Semois Valley. I'm going to have to do it back here, because if I go forward, there's nothing I can do about this huge big bathroom window. Karve, Semois Valley. Now this came in a tin, kind of like a shoe polish tin. But if you know, you get these at the local shops to us. They're about £1. They've got coconut hand cream in. I just take the hand cream out. And there you go. I can smell it. Beautiful, sweet, fragrant tobacco scent. Oh, absolutely wonderful. And that's what it looks like. That's the pour. Well, it's not actually. It's the thumbprint, because I pushed it in with my thumb. There you go. That's what we're going to be using. There's really only one note on this. It's a beautiful, sweet, fragrant, floral's the word I'm looking for, tobacco scent. That's the soap we're going to be using. The balm we're going to be using is Karve. It's not Karve balm, do you know what it is? It's Boots balm. And the label came off and I got that sticker with Karve. So I thought I'll shove that on there. It looked good in the thumbnail. There you go. Karve, if you start knocking them out now, I want commission. The aftershave. Check this out, look. This is an eBay find. What's it called? Cuban Royal. There you go. It was something like £11. Can I get that in there? No. Cuban Royal comes in that tub. It looks like a cigar, doesn't it? Cuban Royal, tobacco scented EDP. And I'll tell you now, guys. It's supposed to smell like tobacco. Paco Rabanne 1 million. I don't know about that. I've got 1 million in there, and I don't know. But what it does smell like to me, this smells like PAA Cavendish, but in an EDP, and it's on Amazon, and it was £11. I'll put the link to that underneath. And then you've got the cigar. And the pièce de résistance. We got new in the den. Here it is. The Christopher Bradley Karve. That flipping sun's getting right on my nerves. There you go. Can we do that there? It's not going to happen. There you go. Does that make a difference? There you go. the Christopher Bradley carve. I tried to do it all chilled this morning, guys, and that sun shining right in that window, it's just getting on my nerves and reminding me why I film on a Friday night now. But there you go. And what we're going to be putting in that, it was nearly nothing then, because look at that. We're going to lift that off. And what we're going to put in that is the PAA. PAA strangelet, but it's the second. That's a new one for thumbnail purposes. That's the second one. We're going to put that in the second use in a row to try and get a feel for this razor. And I think I read something on Karve that said throw that little washer away, it's just for transit purposes or something, but nah, I'm not throwing it away. I'll keep it with the razor. It will do something. There you go. There you go, yeah. That's nice. I'm trying. Here we go again, look. There you go. Is that better? No, it's not happening, is it? You just have to take my word for it, guys. Right, we'll wet the face. And we'll crack on with the shave. And we will ask how yous are all doing. What are your plans for Saturday? Cheers. I'm going to upload this. I've got a few minor jobs I need to do, but for the most part it's going to be a relaxing day for me today. There you go. I think I've used this Semois Valley before, so it's an all carve shave really, isn't it? Well, razor and cream. There you go. Wasn't loading very long. Let's see where we go. Wow, yeah. The scent strength, I would put it about 6. And it drops a little bit when you lather it. But the minute I took that lid off before, you could smell it. It's really aromatic, is the word I'm looking for. Now this was gifted to me, this soap, by Dennis up in Oregon. Thank you, Dennis. I absolutely love this soap. Now I don't know how long Dennis had it, but I've had it. I used it about a year ago. I've had it well over a year. And look at this. There wasn't a big load then. Took it out, smudged it into that plastic pot. Didn't load for very long. And then we've got this lovely, rich, thick, creamy lather, and I could keep on going with the water if I wanted to. But I don't want to. Look, come on. Okay, I'm looking forward to using this Christopher Bradley. Have you used it? Have you used the Christopher Bradley? I know quite a few have. I think I'm late to the party on this one. But the reason for that is I did try and order it about a year ago. And they wanted something like, there was 3 or 4 months waiting list. And I was just like, no. There you go. Christopher Bradley with a PAA blade. Oh man, look. I'm going to have to stand a bit further back. First use, right? This is a D plate that I've got on here, guys, and to be honest with you, I don't think it's enough. It's very smooth, but maybe we'll know more after the 3 passes. It's a smooth razor, and he's got a very smooth blade in. But I think I may need higher plates than this. But we'll see in a minute. I'm just glad to have one in the den. It's a lovely razor. It's a brass razor. And it's performing, you know. That's it, you see, I only shave twice a week, whether I'm filming or not, purely and simply because my skin cannot take. I tried daily shaving. I did it on video about a year ago when I first got furloughed. I did a shave a day for 5 days. Wow, that feels good on the top lip. Yeah, wow, that feels really good, actually. Yeah, I did a shave a day for 5 days, and I'll be honest with you, after about the 3rd day in a row, my skin was so tender, it was unreal. And by day 5, I was just, no. I finished my shave and I felt like I'd been slapped across the face. So, I'm not a daily shaver. Wow. That did okay, you know, guys, actually. I think the combination, that blade and that D plate, seemed to, yeah, it did okay, actually. I wasn't sure at the start, but I still think I need a more aggressive plate on it. So I will, in the new year, I think that's D. I think go up to E, F and G. I think there's cutouts in the box for 2 more plates. I might skip the E and do the F and G. Sounded quite naughty that then, didn't it? Quite rude. So let me know what your shaves of the day are. Let me know what your slurp of the day is. That actually feels very nice under the neck as well. Wow. This is a very well engineered piece of kit. And it's making a good combo with this razor. So yeah, what's your slurp of the day? You've seen me with the 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock coffee. And later on I'll be having an 8 o'clock jam shed. Oh my word. So what do we know? Nothing's happened really, guys. It's been a good week in work. It always is really. I work with a good bunch of guys. I'll leave the face a bit wetter, see if we can whip up a bit more lather. Things are starting to slow down now. You know, as we're getting towards next week, companies are closing, they're ordering less, they're running down the stock, so I'm doing less at work. So it's not as stressed. I finish next week. Nice and chilled, you know. So, the company isn't closed, but they let me book holidays in between Christmas and New Year, so I've used 3 days holidays and I get something like 12 days off. So I'm looking forward to it. It'll be a nice rest. Somebody messaged me. Somebody messaged me and said, why are you not doing any Christmas themed shaves? Well, I'll tell you why I'm not doing any Christmas themed shaves. You may think I'm boring. And you may think I'm odd. But the plain simple fact of the matter is, when I come in here to do this is escapism for me. I come in here to get away from everything that's going on in there. So if I can leave it out there, I will do. I don't try and bring... You can't avoid it with some of the scents and stuff like that. I know, I understand that, but... No, this is escapism for me. I like to leave the world at the bathroom door and come in here and get lost in the shade. Right. Here's a test. That razor is sharp, you know, and smooth. I think I just nick myself. Wow. I'm liking this Christopher Bradley. Very, very nice. Very, very smooth. Very heavy, very well weighted. And I wanted a brass razor too. Here we go. Lather mittens. How you doing, Kim? Kim's going through some stuff. Wow, yeah. That's pretty smooth, that, actually. Oh yeah, absolutely wonderful. There isn't a lot there. Very, very efficient, yeah. See, it's funny, isn't it? How you equate aggression with efficiency. And I know better, but it's just that default setting, isn't it? There you go. Will do. That'll do us. That's us done. Wow. Back in the land of living. Oh, go and upload this. Finish off my coffee. And just chill out. It's wonderful. Here we go. Time for another slurp. Cheers to you all. Okay. Yeah, shall we put the EDP on first? There you go. Here it is. What's it called? Cuban Royal. Looks like that. You'll find it. I'll put a link underneath. You'll put the cigar. Right now, if you live in this country, there's only really 2 people you can do with a cigar, right? Oh, if you live in the UK, we're not even going to go there with that one, right? I'm not even telling you what he did. But there's another one here. Are you ready? See if you can name the film. Name the film in the comments below. Ready? I can't fit it in my mouth, look, so here you go. So you cooked up a story and dropped the 6 of us in the meat grinder. What happened to you, Dylan? You used to be someone I could trust. There you go. Name the film. Right? I can't do Arnold too often because having a physique like a young Arnold. If I do that voice, I just get chased by autograph hunters. That's why I've taken to wearing these inflatable t-shirts, you know, put people off the scent. There you go. Boots, aftershave balm. Oh, that does. It smells like PAA Cavendish. It's got a very rich scent. There you go. Put too much on there. Let's rub it. Before we take it to the face, we'll get some of it off. I put loads on. There you go. It's a wonderful, wonderful generic scent. It's not really scented at all, so it won't mask the EDP. I'll put some more of that on later on. And that is our shave. Here we go. Oh, you can't see it, can you? The Lancashire lean. What's going on? Let's see. There you go. Look at that. There you go. There's a couple of the weepers then. Not seepers. Little swines. We did okay, didn't we, guys? We did okay. That's a nice, smooth, close shave. Very close indeed. Smooth as a baby's bum. And that's because my face looks like one. Okay, wonderful. I'm chilled. Have a wonderful weekend. Remember, guys, as far as it depends upon you, be peaceable with all men and show some love. Look after yourselves, because you can't look after your friends and your family if you don't look after yourself, can you? So look after yourself, and I will see you all on Wednesday for the Wednesday shave. Take it easy, and bye-bye.